I've been asked to talk about my classification in tomorrow's club meeting, which is a tough job for me because this is for the first time I am recording a video. Well, to begin with, I have been a charter interactor of Interact Club of India High School from 1989 to 1991, then a Rotaractor of Rotaract Club of East Calcutta District 3291, Calcutta, where I am born and stay for from 1991 to 2001. Well, I have been a Rotaract Club president 93, 94 probably. Then held some district post. Then as a Rotaractor, I have been to the RI convention at Indianapolis to receive the citation for the project Concern for Thalassemia for my club, the Rotaract Club East Calcutta, for the South Asia Outstanding Community Service Project Award. That has been the highlight of my Rotaract career. Then I left Rotaract in 1991, 2001 to be correct, and then I didn't join Rotary for a long time. Then one day the idea of a e-club was floated by Sandeep Mal, who has been our charter president of our club, and I am also a charter member of the Rotary Rotary Club of E for E Club, and he suggested that as we are not having time, we should join a E Club. Well, I am the president elect of this E Club, which happens to be running on the third year with me as the president, incoming president. We have been able to do some very good projects throughout India and outside India also, and I feel proud that we have been, I think, more successful than many new brick mortar Rotary clubs that they have the regular meeting on a place, and I'm proud to be a member of this Rotary Club, E-Rotary Club, and I should thank our mentor, Rotarian Prakash Saraswat, for being the life support system for this club. Without him, we could not have reached these heights. As a Rotarian, I should say that E Club has been a mixed feeling for me. I have been able to do, with the help of many members, some good projects, but we have not been able to generate the same amount of fellowship that we have in a normal club, which I think we will be able to do in the future, and maybe we shall be more successful in that. As my personal life, I have been into garment manufacturing for the past 5 years, maybe as a garment trade for the past 10 years plus, and I have a small manufacturing unit in Calcutta where I manufacture infant baby garments from the age 0-2 years, and have been exporting some of it, and have been working with few multinational companies for that. Though it's a very small business and a small work, but it has been my passion to be associated with it, and I'm pretty happy about it. I'm married to Ritu, who has been an excellent housewife, and I have two lovely daughters, Devangna, she is 15, and my younger daughter, she is 11. My older daughter Devangna is soon going to Germany as youth exchange program from her school to the school St. Nicholas School in Germany. And to be honest, I have my younger one is a real brat, and Liz knows about it because she is the person who is talking to Liz on the Skype and communicating with her, sending mails, normal mails, emails, and lot of things. And Liz is sending a lot of things for her. Well, to be honest, uh, the incoming year would be a challenge, and I hope I keep the same high standards what Sandeep and Liz has done for the club. And maybe I'm a little silent person. I don't speak much. I don't write much on the net, but I hope I would change a bit. Maybe that's my style of working. I hope everybody likes my video. Thanks.